sabi niya, pero kami natatay na ako. Lapad na. Let's go. Lapad na. Hello.
And happy
Hey, too. Ay, happy birthday, Mare.
Happy birthday! Thank you so much!
Hello. Hoy, happy birthday.
Thank you!
Ang ganda dito ah. Hi, Joshi. Ay, Mare ah. Asan chicken feet na yan?
Pare, hindi na ako nabili. Kasi barbecue na binili.
Ay, salamat, Mare. Uy, natatain na ako.
Go! Dalawa ito. Dito ba niya yan?
Ha?
Kailan ito
Natatain
darating
na.
matatay?
Ito. Let's go. Reaction tayo.
Parang may bulak na siya sa...
Over naman sa 0.5 yan.
Huwag mo kayo!
Uy, Marie, I adjust mo.
Uy! Mag-shake please ka!
Please.
Oo.
Uy, si Coco ba?
Hindi, Cotevoix! Cotevoix ka dyan.
Mindset about women that still limits progress today, what would it be? 60 seconds for you.
Nalalaksan tayo.
Yeah.
It would be women are not leaders. That is not true. We women, we have that innate value of leadership. However, sometimes we are not given opportunities and spaces and chances. And as Miss Cosmo, who ignites change, I would like to empower every woman to immerse yourselves in activities that can enrich your skills. And in order for us to move forward, because we women, we can stand in our own, and women can also have it all. Good evening, and sit
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Good luck.
Good luck. Next up, who do we
Pakilala ni
have?
Coco ba Miss World Africa yung Miss Universe?
Miss Philippines, make your way this way, please, darling. Thank you.
Naligaw pa nga si Miss.
Congratulations. Up next,
Naligaw siya kumare. Hindi na pala siya kasama. Ang ganda ni Brazil!
Natatakpan mo si ano.
Hala, walang pumaypay! Balik! Walang pumaypay! Let's go!
Ay, kare-kare ang bilis na ako.
Go, go!
Go lang!
Go na! Thank you first!
Balik! 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 Balik!
Go, go, go! Bye-bye!
Panalo na!
Uy, bawal hulog ka, pabalik.
Yay!
Ready, set, go! Ikaw ang nagkamali, tama. Wala, dire-diretso siya.
Pero hindi na ibabalik sa dati.
Okay, your first.
Hey!
Hello! Ready?
Pakita lang. Pakita mo yan.
Thank you, Dr. Mata.
1, 2, 3,
Go!
go! Yay!
Pakita lang. Wow!
Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Doc!
Hoy! Hoy, Mare, dito muna kayo!
Gather around, let's go!
Mamaya na kayo mag-open forum. Go na, Mike. Go, Mikey.
Okay, so I'm grateful for graduating steps, syempre, level 4, and found my safe space with my circle of friends, and attending the concerts. Yeah, let's go. Go, Joar.
Grabe. Very general. I'm always grateful for my friends and family. But I also got promoted. I also learned to say no. Little
Oh.
by little, nakukomplete na namin yung bahay namin. Nakapag-travel kami for leisure with my family.
Oh.
Wow! Grabe achievement yan, George. Congrats!
Wala daw siya kasi. Very, very.
Coming from mga walang masulat.
May pa-confetti. Charis. Achievement siguro, I have reached more than 30,000 steps in a day.
Yes!
In a day. And then,
5
siguro
AM.
achievement din for me is choosing myself.
Oh.
Which, I get to do things that I want to do and grateful for the family and friends that turned to family.
Ako muna, Mare.
Sige, maaari.
Hi guys, grateful. No one in my family got sick.
Oh.
Was able to meet my cat,
Oy!
Bismillah, and be part of our family. Tapos, kept my friends, sila. And also, grateful because I've met LY this year. And also, my achievements, got out of my comfort zone and able to provide to my family. Let's go.
Saan harap doon? Ano ba sinilagay ko? Ano lang, in general, I'm grateful for everything. Grateful sa lahat ng new people na na-meet ko this year. Celebrating small wins in life din. And I'm happy kasi I can attend concerts na. I know, right? Thank you, Lord, po sa alak. Let's go! Of course!
Number 1.
So my achievements for this year is that I made it to my dream company, got my first property, and I found my greatest love.
Oh, diba?
Hi, everyone. So for today, to be honest, I'm grateful to see my favorite artist this year. I'm grateful to stay at work, like to my current company. And also, I'm grateful to meet you.
Sino si you? Sino si you? Sino si you?
Hindi pinangalanan si Yu.
Madami sila eh.
Dapat Spanish yan ha.
Ay, porke?
Porque
Mi amo.
Un momento.
So, a lot of things happened lately, probably within this year. So, I'm grateful for God's grace to be still here.
Great.
So, that's probably one of the biggest achievement that I did for this year.
May grateful pa ako. Pahabol. Hindi siya nag-suicide. Eh!
Dark.
Magpahabol ako. Biggest achievement ko. Itong enemy ko.
Or at least achievement. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, inuman namin, guys.
Ba't mo pinaiyak kasi? Mare! Mare!
First siguro naman, pero if hindi mo masabi, pero galing.
Bakit ano nangyari?
Just hug her.
Hindi ako.
Uy, inaway. Your hair. It's okay.
Alam niyo kung sino makasalanan baka siya umiyak? Si Josh. Huli na yun na request niyang kanta eh. Naku!
Wala na ka ba? It's okay.
What happened, love?
Kaya ngayon, my love. Ay, ito pala.
Bigyan niya ng chance yung talo ka. Natalo ka, Nok? Natalo ka? Ala, balik. Balik, sige na, please. Sige pa, sige. Sige mo. Dali, go, Nok. Balik ka. Tapos, gawin mo. Sige. Wow! Palakpakan! Wow!
Kasi may love. Ba't mo tinanggal?
Talo na naman, te. Ano ba yan?